In this video, I will be breaking down a fantastic chord progression played by Yohan Kim in the song As the Dare. It is amazing. Let's watch the video so you can see what I'm talking about. It is amazing. There. Oh, it's amazing. It is amazing. This is the chord progression that I'm talking about. You see, I'm going to try to explain everything about it so you can understand it and use it to improve your piano playing. Before starting, if you like the work that I'm doing, the only one way that you can support me is by subscribing to my channel. Please subscribe, do me this favor. Like the video and leave me a comment. And let's get started. Uh, First, let's learn about 7 to 6 chord progression because it will help us to have more understanding about the chord progression that we're going to learn. What is a 7 to 6 chord progression? It is a chord progression that we use to go from the 1 to the 6 in a major scale. It's like playing passing chords. Let's be in C major to explain that. In the key of C major, all the degrees as numbers. The C is the 1, the D is the 2, the E is the 3, the F is the 4, the G is the 5, the A is the 6, the B is the 7, and then the C is the 1. Okay? Now we are going to show you a demonstration of 7 to 6 chord progression. In the key of C major, this would be our 1 chord, and the 7 would be like this, and then the 3 would be like this, and then the 6 would be like this. Okay, this is a 7 to 6 chord progression. Okay, the 7 is this chord. It's like playing a D minor in the right hand. We just invert it like this. This is the second inversion, and we just play the 7 in the left hand. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, the B. Okay, the combination of these two chords gives us a B half diminished 7 chord. This is our 7. Now we're going to play our 3, which is a E7 chord. Okay, a dominant chord. This is very easy. And then our 6 will be a minor 7 chord. Okay, this is the combination of a C major second inversion in the right hand, and then A5 in the left hand. Okay, together it gives us a minor 7 chord. Okay, or we could do it like this: our 7, and then this is a E7 sharp 9 sharp 5 chord. Okay, we could do it like this also. It is G sharp, C, D, G, and then E on the bass with the left hand. Okay, and then for the 6 we can play A minor 9 chord. Okay, G, B, C, E, and then in the left hand A, E. Okay, it's a nice chord. It's a combination of it's like playing a C major 7 chord in the right hand, and then just A in the left hand. Okay, let's try to use it in a song. Let's try to use it in As the Dare. You see it? It is very nice. Now the chord progression played by Yohan Kim can do the same work as a 7 to 6 chord progression. Let's see. Now let's go in D major because Yohan Kim was in D major when he was playing As the Dare. D major scale. Okay, D is our 1, E is our 2, F sharp is our 3, G is our 4, A is our 5, B is our 6, C sharp is our 7, and then D is our 1. Okay? In the video of Yohan Kim, it did something like this. Or like this. Okay, this is a progression chord. This is a chord progression that we can use in the place of a 7 to 6 progression chord. Let's see. This is our 1. Our 7 will be a chord like this chord. Okay? I just simplify it. He played it like this. He did an octave chord in the left hand, but I want to explain you it like this so you can understand easier. Okay? In the left hand, we're just going to do the 7, the flat 7, and then we're going to do the 6. It will be like this. Okay? It's like playing it like this. Okay? Flat 7 and then the 6. It is easy for the left hand. In the place of the flat 7, we can do it as a major chord. Okay? The 7, the flat 7 as a major chord, and then the 6. It is easy for the left hand. Now in the right hand, we're just going to do this chord. This is a 4 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the right hand. But in this case, it is going to be a G major 7 flat 5 chord. It's like playing a G major 7 chord. Okay, our 4 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. A G major 7 chord. But instead of using the 5 degree of the G chord, we're just going to use the flat 5. Okay? We're going to use the flat 5 instead of using the 5. Now, it gives us this nice chord. We're just going to do this combination with this chord and the 7. Okay? We are on our 1. Yohan Kim did 5, 1, 2, and then the nice chord for the 7th chord. Okay? Or if we want to do this, we can do this. We can double. It is the same thing. 5, 1, 2. I hope you see everything. Just like the 7 in the left hand, and then this nice 4 chord. This is a G major 7 flat 5 chord, and then the next chord will be this chord. Oh, this is a C9 chord with the 13. Okay? I explained the left hand. We just play the flat 7, and then in the right hand, we're just going to play the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the sharp 5. Okay? The 4 and the sharp 5. This is the same chord. This is a sharp major 7 flat 5 chord. This chord. It's like playing a sharp major 7 chord. We're just going to use the flat 5 instead of the 5. Okay? This is a sharp major 7 flat 5 chord, and then we just combine it with the C major chord. Okay, this is easy. Or instead of playing the C major this, we can do a drop to voicing with this chord. We can play it there, C major chord. It will give us this nice chord. Okay, let's start over. Okay, the 7. Okay, and then we put this in the place of the 3. It's like playing 7, 3, 6, or 7, 3. I hope you see everything. 3, and then the 6. This 6 chord, this is a minor 9 chord, B minor 9 chord. This is our 6. There we can say that we do it in 2 ways. We simplify it like this. And then we can do it like this. Oh, and then we go on the 6. I hope you understand everything. Now let's try to use it in the song of Asbateo so you can see. Ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. Wow, this is very nice. I hope you understand everything. Now let's try to use it in another key. For example, let's try in, let's say, okay, E flat major. E flat major. E flat is our 1, F is our 2, G is our 3, A flat is our 4, B flat is our 5, C is our 6, D is our 7, and then E sharp is our 1. Now we will do it like this. 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, and then we're going to use the 7 in our left hand, and then we're going to play the 4 chord as a major 7 flat 5 chord. It would be like this. It's like playing the major 7 chord, and then we're going to use the flat 5 instead of the 5, okay? 7, and then we're going to play this chord, okay? It's like going down a half step, okay? We're going to do a major chord with that. Bum, 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 bum. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sharp 5, major 7, flat 5. Okay? It is easy. Bum, bum, bum. Okay. Bum, 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 bum. And then we just go on our 6. Now we are at the end of this video. It was a pleasure for me to share these nice ideas with you. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and we will meet in another video.